a defeat of internal enemies. Before that, I want to tell you what is the meaning of defeat. Defeat means for children to win or to get a victory on the enemies. To get the victory on the enemy. Next slide. No, teacher, not this is slide.
Wait. I'll show it again.
हाँ, by use of force. By use of force. What use कैसे किया उन्होंने force का? The marvels of the 12 marvels gathered around the Shivaji, ready to do his bidding. They were gathered all around the Shivaji. And Shivaji was standing in the middle of the marvelas. They lived for Swaraj and were willing to die for it. What they said, we are living for Swaraj and we will die for our Swaraj only. हम लोग मरेंगे और जिएंगे किसके लिए? स्वराज के लिए ही. There was simple Maratha flock. They loved Shivaji more than their life. वो शिवाजी को इतना प्यार करते थे अपने लाइफ से भी ज्यादा. ओके, बट सम पीपल वर जेलस ऑफ शिवाजी अचीवमेंट. कोई तो रहता है ना जो अपने पर जेलस होता है. वो कितना अचीवमेंट कर रहा है, देखो वो कितना पास हो रहा है, इज गेटिंग फर्स्ट रैंक, सी इज ड्रेस्ड. मींस दिस इज कॉल्ड अ जेलस. मींस देयर मींस ईच एंड एवरीवेयर सम ऑफ द पर्संस आर देयर हु इज जेलस ऑफ मीन्स किसकी की तो कोई तो रहता ही है अपने पर जेलस होता है. सेम लाइक दैट ऑफ शिवाजी महाराज ऑल्सो सम ऑफ द पर्संस आर देयर हु वर जेलस ऑफ शिवाजी अचीवमेंट. जो कर रहे थे उस पर वो लोग जेलस थे. He had to bring such people to book. Khandoji and Baji Ghorpade were two Sardar in the service of Adil Shah. These are the two persons who were still working with the Adil Shah. Khandoji and Baji Ghorpade are the two persons working still with in the service of Adil Shah. The Shah incited them against Shivaji. Shah, what he said? देखो वो क्या कर रहा है, मुझे पूरा खबर चाहिए उसका. वो शिवाजी इज डूइंग, आई वांट ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. वो कहाँ पे जाता है, क्या करता है, क्या खाता है, क्या पीता है. आई वांट ईच एंड एवरी न्यूज ऑफ शिवाजी महाराज. दे क्रिएटेड अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रबल इन द कोंडाना डिस्ट्रिक्ट, बट शिवाजी वाज मोर देन अ मैच फॉर देम. उन्होंने इतना ट्रबल किया वहाँ पे कोंडाना के यहाँ पर कि शिवाजी उनको भारी पड़ गया. ओके, He defended and draw them out. He defended and draw them out. उन्होंने उनको हराया और उनको भगा दिया वहां से. Next slide please. Bajaji Nayak Nimbalkar of Paltan was Shivaji's own brother-in-law. Brother-in-law क्या होता है? जो अपने बीबी का भाई रहता है उसको ब्रदर इन लॉ बोलते हैं. मीन्स उनके बोलते ना, who was the wife of Shivaji Maharaj? Umabai. Okay, Umabai was the Shivaji Maharaj wife. Okay, then उसका भाई उसका ब्रदर इन लॉ हो गया. But Shivaji Maharaj had to fight many battles against him. But Shivaji Maharaj इतना अपना रिलेशन नहीं देखते थे. He was only looking for the Maharashtra. He was looking, उनका क्या एम था? That हिंदवी स्वराज. Only his aim was हिंदवी स्वराज. वो कोई भी होने दो उनके सामने. He is going to fight with that person. However, later on, members of this family stood by Shivaji Maharaj. Sambhaji Mohite of Supe and near relatives of Shivaji also started polling against Shivaji. These are the persons who are our relation, means our relatives only polling against the Shivaji. Polling means उनके against थे वो लोग पूरे. Why Shivaji is doing like this? Shivaji arrested him at Supe and banished him from to the Karnataka. उन्होंने किसको अरेस्ट किया? संभाजी मोहिते को अरेस्ट किया. From where? From the Supe, and banishment उनको वहां से भगा दिया, निकाल दिया गया. From the Karnataka. This Shivaji duty came first and relatives afterwards. What I told you, what was the Shivaji's aim? Only to see Hindavi Swaraj. मेरा स्वराज कैसे हिंदवी होगा, कैसे एस्टेब्लिश होगा? From the hands of Mughal, from the hands of Muslim. कहाँ मेरा महाराष्ट्र कैसे एस्टेब्लिश होगा? He was thinking about that only. He never see the relatives, he never see his brother, father, mother and all that, nothing. Only his aim was एक ही उनका aim था कि हिंदवी स्वराज. So he never sees anything. His duties come first and relatives afterwards. Duties come first and the relatives afterwards. Next slide. Chandrarao More of Jawali. The greatness of Shivaji's achievement was recognized and applauded everywhere. सब के अचीवमेंट रिकॉग्नाइज कर रहे थे शिवाजी महाराज, पूरे जगह पूरे महाराष्ट्र पे शिवाजी महाराज की जय जय हो रही थी. ही कैपिटेटेड द हार्ट ऑफ हिज पीपल. हार्ट ऑफ हिज पीपल मीन्स ही कैप्चर द हार्ट ऑफ द पीपल. वो पूरे अपने शिवाजी महाराज सबके मन में बस चुकी थी पीपल के इन द सब्जेक्ट. Some people did not like this. Some of the people are jealous of Shivaji Maharaj. That you know. They look upon Shivaji's has a mole in the eye. Mole means कांटा रहता है ना, अपने आँख में कुछ रहता है ना. Mole means क्या, तिल रहते हैं ना आँख में, जैसे उनको चुभता था वो, बोलते ना आँख में चुभता है ये, like that same. Okay. More of Jawali was one such person. These are all the enemies. I am telling you about the enemies. First one, who was the first one enemy? That was Kandoji and Baji Ghorpade was the enemy of Shivaji Maharaj. Okay. Then second was who? Sambhaji Mohite is the second one. Sambhaji Mohite is the second one person. Then comes who now? Chandrarao More of Jawali is the third person who is jealous of Shivaji Maharaj. Okay, the More of Jawali was one such person. More was the Jagirdar of Jawali. Okay, he was a Jagirdar of Jawali. This Jagir which extended from Rajgarh to Koyna Valley. Along with the title Chandra Rao, he was having a title of Chandra Rao, was confirmed upon him by Adesha. Who has given this title? By the Adesha. That you are the Chandra Rao of Jawali. Okay, who has given this title? Adesha has given this title. Jawali was covered with such a thick forest that even during a broad day night, मीन्स सुबह के टाइम में भी वहाँ पे अंधेरा रहता था, इतना घना जंगल था. Only trees, बहुत बड़े बड़े trees were there all around the side. Sun rays hardly pretended it. कभी तो उसमें से सनरेज जाता था दिखने के लिए, तो पूरा अंधेरा था. Why? Because of the trees. It was full of wildlife. Wildlife means tiger, wolves, bears roamed freely in the Jawali forest. कौन घूमता था? आदमी लोग नहीं घूमते थे वहाँ पे. टाइगर, वुल्फ्स और बियर्स यूज्ड टू रोम each and everywhere in the Jawali. Who used to roam? Tiger, wolves and bear used to roam over there. More's Jawali was thus like a tiger hidden out. That More was hiding in that forest. Okay. No one therefore crosses More's path. Only Shivaji had the courage to do so. कोई भी वहाँ पे वो जंगल में जाने के लिए डरता था. Why? Because tigers and all that were roaming over there. Wolves were roaming over there. And who will go? And अपनी जान कौन जोखिम में डालेगा? But one of the person was there. Who was that? That was a Shivaji Maharaj. He has the courage to go in that forest to fight with the More of Jawali. Who is that person who has the courage to go in that path? It's the Shivaji Maharaj. Is the Shivaji Maharaj who want to go inside that. Next slide. Now, Daulat Rao More died in 1645. Again, I am repeating, children. Just let me. I am repeating. Who are the enemies? Kandoji and Baji Ghorpade is the first enemy. Then I told you about the Sambhaji Mohite. Then I told you about the Chandrarao More of Jawali. Okay. Now this is the Daulat Rao More died in 1645. When he died, this person, he died in 1645. There was a fight for the success. There was a fight for succession among his descendants. Shivaji backed Yashwantrao More, who with Shivaji's help ascended the Gadi as Chandra. Now he died. Daulat Rao More died. Who killed them? Who killed that person? Shivaji Maharaj killed that person in 1645. After that, the Gadi was empty. Teacher, before that slide. The Gadi was empty. Gadi means क्या? जहाँ पे लोग बैठते, सिंहासन. It's called a Gadi, was empty. Then what did Shivaji did? Shivaji did what he did? He backed the Yashwantrao More. He made a Yashwantrao More, who was the Shivaji's Maulas, made a Chandra Rao. He made a Chandra Rao. Okay. He made Chandra Rao has a Yashwantrao has a Chandra Rao. He gave the Yashwantrao More a title of Chandra Rao. Okay. In return for Shivaji's help, उन्होंने help किया यशवंतराव को. Then what Yashwantrao did? Yashwantrao promised to help Shivaji in his struggle. What Yashwantrao did? Yashwantrao प्रॉमिस टू शिवाजी कि नहीं, आपने मुझे चंद्रराव का एक ताज दे दिया, इसलिए मैं आपको जो चाहिए वो मदद करूंगा. Who said this? Yashwantrao said to the Shivaji Maharaj. He started helping him. Yashwantrao started helping Shivaji Maharaj in any struggle. In any struggle, कुछ भी fighting हो, कुछ भी he want arms and all that, he was helping him. Okay? In any annual tribute. But he forgot all this once he succeeded to the Gadi. पर क्या हो गया, जैसे ही उसको गादी मिला, उसने प्रॉमिस तो किया था शिवाजी महाराज को. ही हैड प्रॉमिस शिवाजी महाराज, हु यशवंतराव हैज प्रॉमिस शिवाजी महाराज दैट आई विल हेल्प यू एंड दैट एंड I will do this, I will do that, I will give money and all that, I will give my ammunition, I will give you foods and all that. But after getting the gadi, उसको ताज मिल गया, उसको सिंहासन मिल गया, he forgot all this thing, he forgot his promise also. बहुत नाइंसाफी ये तो. Yes or no children? ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. He forgot all the things. All this once he succeeded to the Gadi. He become impotent and troublesome. वो या अभी शिवाजी महाराज को ट्रबल देना चालू कर दिया. Who? Yashwantrao only started giving trouble. To whom? Shivaji Maharaj. He started attacking Shivaji's territory and harassing the people. Harassing means troubling the people. Beating the people, उनको खाना नहीं देना, उनको उधर चाबुक से मारना and all that, harassing the people. Who? Yashwantrao only started doing this. Then Shivaji got angry now. अरे मैंने उसको help किया, I have helped him and he's doing like this with me. How come? Then Shivaji realized that unless More was punished, अभी शिवाजी महाराज what he thought that unless I will punish the यशवंतराव मोरे, तब तक मैं शांत नहीं बैठूंगा, मैं मोरे को पनिशमेंट दूंगा. He would remain a constant danger to the स्वराज. जब तक मैं उसको पनिशमेंट नहीं दूंगा तब तक वो मेरे स्वराज के लिए डेंजर है. He is danger to my स्वराज. So I am going to punish that. Who? Yashwantrao More. I am going to punish Yashwantrao More. Okay, next slide. Rebel and or you will die, and you will die. तुम अच्छे से बिहेव करो, otherwise you are going to be die. Okay, this Shivaji said to the Yashwantrao More. Shivaji first sent a stiff note to Yashwantrao More. एक अच्छा सा नोट भेजा. Who sent this? Shivaji Maharaj. What he wrote in that seer? You call yourself the Raja. Who said this? Shivaji Maharaj said to the Yashwantrao More. तू खुद को राजा समझता है? But I am the Raja of the territory. शिवाजी महाराज ने क्या बोला? तू खुद को राजा समझता है, पर मैं यहाँ का राजा हूँ. This kingdom is a Lord Shiva's gift to me. ये kingdom मुझे किसने दिया है? Who has gifted me? A Lord Shiva has gifted to me. Lord Shiva has gifted to me. Okay? So do not call yourself a Raja. तो खुद को तू राजा मत बोल. In a very rude reply. अभी who said this? Children, I am going to ask you who said to whom also. Shivaji sent a stiff note to the Yashwantrao. उसमें क्या लिखा था वो नोट में? You call yourself a Raja, but I am the Raja of this territory. Okay? This kingdom is Lord Shiva's gift to me. This kingdom is Lord Shiva's gift to me. So do not call yourself the Raja. So do not call yourself a Raja. In a rude reply. फिर रिप्लाई किसने दिया? यशवंतराव रिप्लाई टू शिवाजी महाराज इन रूड वे. रूड वे मीन्स गुस्से में आके. यशवंतराव सेड, यू आर अ राजा ऑफ ओनली यस्टरडे. तू तो कल का राजा है. हु गेव यू दिस किंगडम? किसने दिया तुझे ये किंगडम? इफ यू केम टू जवाली, हु विल बी ट्रैप्ड? यू विल बी ट्रैप्ड इफ यू कम टू द जवाली. तो को मैं पकड़ लूंगा. बाय द ग्रेस ऑफ गॉड आई हैव रिसीव्ड फ्रॉम आदिल शाह द टाइटल ऑफ राजा. वो क्या बोलते हैं? भगवान की कृपा से मुझे आदिल शाह ने राजा का टाइटल दिया है. This is wrong. Yes or no? Who made the Chandra Rao? Shivaji Maharaj made Yashwantrao the Chandra Rao title. He has given the title, but he said that Adil Shah has given me the title of Raja. He has also in the graciousness given me a throne and a panopel of a Raja. Means throne means क्या? ये सिंहासन भी उन्होंने ही दिया है मुझे, और ऊपर का ताज भी उन्होंने ही दिया है. वो आदिल शाह. If you start any trouble here, you will be badly hurt. Who said this? Yashwantrao said to the Shivaji Maharaj. अगर तूने मुझे यहाँ पे तकलीफ देना चालू किया, you are going to hurt badly. You are going to hurt badly. Okay, next slide. Again शिवाजी रिप्लाई. ये केस में चल रहा था, उनका लेटर में ही उनको झगड़ा चल रहा था. अभी तक फाइटिंग दैट अभी तक उन्होंने वॉर पे नहीं आए थे. दिस वॉज गोइंग इन द नोट ओनली. दे वर राइटिंग द लेटर. इन द लेटर ओनली दे वर फाइटिंग. बोथ ऑफ देम वर फाइटिंग. देन अगेन शिवाजी रिप्लाई, give up Jawali and your pretension of kingship. Come before your master with folded hand. नीचे झुक के आ जाओ मेरे सामने. Who said this? शिवाजी महाराज. जवाली को दे दो. Accept his service. You will refuse to do so at the risk of your life. The conquest of Jawali was a difficult operation. It is covered with a thick forest protected by the Imperial Rairi Fort. Okay, Rairi Fort was there. More also had numerous followers. He was having More. शिवाजी ने क्या बोला? चुपचाप हाथ फोल्ड करके मेरे सामने आ जाओ, नहीं तो तुम्हारी लाइफ रिस्क ऑफ योर लाइफ, तुम्हारी जान भी जा सकती है. ओके. मोरे वॉज ऑल्सो हैविंग अ न्यूमरस फॉलोअर. Shivaji, after making through preparation, attacked Jawali. Shivaji, after that, started making the plans. Okay. I think so. Sorry, it's in standard 5th. Okay, not for you. Maps and all that. It's for standard 4. Map किसके लिए बनाते हैं? Why we are making the map? For conquering the, capturing the anything. अगर हम लोग without map we can go in the front of enemies, they will kill us. Without the plan, we should not go in front of any enemy children. Before that, we should make a plan and all that. Pura well plan we should make. Then we should go in front of the enemy to fight and order. Okay. Desperately means हमको करना ही है. We should do it. Okay. Shivaji, after making a thorough preparation, attacked Jawali. उन्होंने अच्छे से thoroughly preparation करके he attacked the Jawali. Yashwantrao held out for about a month but suffered very heavy losses. Yashwantrao held out of about the month but suffered very heavy losses. एक महीना हो गया. He then accepted to Rairi along with his family. कहाँ पे भाग गया? रायरी फोर्ट पर वो भाग गया. Shivaji conquered Jawali and then marched on Rairi. First Shivaji conquered Jawali, then he marched to the Rairi. Afterwards he went to the Rairi fort to conquer that. He laid siege to Fort Rairi. अब now इनका साइड कहाँ पे था? रायरी फोर्ट पर था. यशवंतराव fought desperately for 3 months but he had to give up. Desperately means वो फाइटिंग ही कर रहा था, फाइटिंग कर रहा ही नॉन स्टॉप ही वॉज फाइटिंग विद शिवाजी महाराज, पर आखिर में वो हार गया. बट लास्टली ही गेव अप. ओके, आखिर में वो हार गया. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. Now we will see about the Fort Raigad. The conquest of Jawali was a very important landmark. Okay, this doubled the boundary of Swaraj under Shivaji's Yashwantrao army. Now Shivaji and what he did, Jawali भी capture किया. Now he was to see sorry, landmark क्या होता है? हमारे अपने स्कूल का landmark क्या है? Church is our landmark of a school. This is called a landmark, important landmark. So Jawali is the Swaraj का एक landmark था कि जवाली को हम लोग ने conquer कर लिया है. Okay, join the force of Shivaji. यशवंतराव army to join the force of Shivaji. यशवंतराव के आदमी लोग भी कहाँ पे joined हुआ? Army has also joined to the Shivaji Maharaj force. The strong Rairi fort become a part of Swaraj. Shivaji was highly pleased to have this fort under his control. Okay, he changed the name to Raigad, Rairi Fort. Every time Shivaji is to change the name of the fort. Yes or no? In first chapter also, in 7th chapter also, he had changed the fort's name. I think so. You must be remembering. Okay. Now also Rairi Fort name has been changed to Raigad. Raigad is the name of now Rairi Fort. Okay. Later on, he built a new fort on the Bhopia hill nearby. It's a Bhorpai hill nearby. It's a hill name. Bhorpai is a hill name. Hill means क्या होता है? Children, hill's name है वो Bhorpai hill nearby. He built a new fort. उन्होंने Bhorpai hill के बाजू में एक fort build किया. It was named a Pratapgarh. He named that Garh as a Pratapgarh. He named that fort as a Pratapgarh. Bhorpai hill is the name of a hill. एक नाम है भोरपई. Okay, it's a name of a hill. Now can you see last slide, teacher? Next slide. Can you see this fort? Okay, Kapil, your village is in Pratapgarh. Very nice, Kapil. We will go there for the picnic next time. Sure, I think so. We will get their food also to eat. Yes or no, Kapil? Okay, this is our fort, Raigad. In here, I have completed my chapter. Everyone understood? Teacher, please show the video.